By watching this video, you will save a lot of time exploring Nanobanana 2 upgrades, choosing the best free tool for specific features, and seeing how its quality compares to its biggest rival, the ChatGPT image generator. I will also show you how to use up to 14 references at once, since Google Gemini only allows up to 10 references. Currently, Nanobanana 2 is 100% free for everyone. All you need to do is create a Google account, open Gemini, and choose the Create Image option. Make sure to select the Pro option to use the best model. Here are some important upgrades in its newest version, along with test results, including a comparison with ChatGPT image. 1. Subject consistency. Nanobanana 2 keeps subjects consistent by preserving up to 5 characters and 14 objects within a single workflow, making it easier to storyboard and build narratives without visual changes. Since Google Gemini only allows up to 10 image references, in this section we will use Google Flow. First, go to Google Flow and upload your character or object references. Here is the test result using 14 references. And here is how it compares to the ChatGPT image results in terms of consistency. 2. Text, rendering, and translation. Nanobanana 2 can generate accurate, legible text directly inside images, making it ideal for marketing mockups, posters, or greeting cards. It also allows you to translate and localize text within an image, so you can adapt your visuals for different languages and share your ideas globally. Here are the test results showing how clearly it renders text and how accurately it performs in-image translation. And here is how it compares to the ChatGPT image results in terms of text accuracy, spelling, and localization quality. 3. Real-world knowledge integration. Nanobanana 2 leverages Gemini's real-world knowledge base, using up-to-date information to render specific subjects more accurately. This deeper understanding also helps you create infographics, convert notes into structured diagrams, and generate clear data visualizations. Here are the test results demonstrating how well it understands real-world concepts and transforms information into visual content. And here is how it compares to the ChatGPT image results in terms of accuracy, structure, and information visualization. 4. Expanded aspect ratio control. Nanobanana 2 now supports new ultra-wide and ultra-tall aspect ratios, including 4:1, 1:4, 8:1, and 1:8. This gives you much more flexibility to create cinematic panoramas, vertical storytelling visuals, banners, or mobile-first content that was difficult to generate before. You can try prompts like this. Here are the test results using these new aspect ratios. And here is how it compares to the ChatGPT image results in handling extreme wide and tall compositions. Now, Nanobanana 2 can create super realistic images, pushing your AI video content to the next level in terms of realism and visual quality. If you are curious how I use Nanobanana together with Kling 2.6 to create a music video, you can watch this video. And if you want to learn how to use Nanobanana with Kling 3.0 for filmmaking, make sure to watch this video. Thanks for watching this Nanobanana 2 versus ChatGPT image generator comparison. Let me know in the comments if you want more Nanobanana 2 tutorials, and I'll make more. See you in the next video.